This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Incredible 8-year-old modular ranch, country living near downtown Smithfield. Open floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, open living room, great room to kitchen and dining room. Great floor plan. Fresh paint, new carpet and wood-look vinyl flooring and open kitchen. Spacious kitchen with 7x3 center bar that is open to family room. Large master with a 5-piece bath, jetted tub and separate shower and 2 bowel sink. Large walk-in closet. Large corner lot and nice yard back. 10x12 deck, shed deep. Artisan well ready to move in. Near everything but in the country. For more information, review the details below.